Guys, what's going on? It's me, Keisha, and I am back with another video. This video is actually going to be super short. I wanted to basically create a short video with as much detail for you guys for something that I have already announced. So if you guys don't know, I have a webinar. I have a Start Your Tax Company webinar that is coming up this week on Friday. On Friday, November 3rd, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time sharp, I will be hosting my second webinar. Let me go ahead and let you guys know that this is the last webinar that I will be hosting for this year going into next tax season. I did one this month and it was such a huge success. Everyone that was able to join the webinar was able to learn a wealth of knowledge, a wealth of information. It was people who actually already is in the tax business, which is really surprising because I felt like people that were brand new in the business that wanted to know much more about the business will be coming on to the webinar. But baby, I had that prediction wrong. I had it all wrong. It was actually well experienced tax preparers that pretty much wanted to grow their tax business for next tax season that's coming up. So if you are someone that is either thinking about starting a tax business, or you're a tax preparer that already have a tax business that have all the customers that you want, but you want a little more because you feel stuck, then I highly recommend that you click the link below and opt in into this webinar that I will be hosting. It is webinar.startyourtaxcompany.com, where I will go over all the information when it comes to you starting your tax company. Now, let me dive in a little more to tell you exactly what I will be teaching or what I will be talking about for this upcoming webinar that we have coming this week on Friday. All right, guys, so I'm looking at the webinar website right now, and I'm just gonna go over everything that pretty much is on this landing page, but I wanted to do a detailed video. This webinar here, you do not need any experience whatsoever as a tax preparer. So if you feel that you're stuck, you feel that you don't know how to start, you feel that you don't know where to start, I highly recommend you go ahead and opt in into this webinar. If you're someone, again, that is been doing taxes for 5 years, 6 years, 10 years, and you feel like, God damn, you just not where you want to be, you should take this webinar, because there's different strategies and different things that you will be able to learn on this webinar. For instance, it was somebody that was doing taxes in my last webinar from 2005. I started taxes in 2016, but she was able to learn so much. It was her best $37 that she said this was her best $37 that she spent. That's another thing. My webinar is only $37. This is a tax write-off. Y'all, this is a no-brainer. I need all y'all to opt in into this. As soon as I added a few more seats. And then I'm just going to shut off the whole site. The replay of this webinar will be $99. So if you are seeing this video right now, I know you got $37 and I know you want to learn some more. This is for even if you have a tax preparation company, this is for you. We'll be talking about branding yourself. We'll be talking about marketing strategies for your tax business. We'll be talking about understanding your niche. We'll be talking about bank products. We'll be talking about insurance that a tax preparer. We'll be talking about software. No, I'm not going to be selling you my software. I'm telling you what you should be looking out for the software that you want to get for tax season. This is so crucial. It was someone else on there that was doing over 200 people but didn't know certain things about software. Y'all need to opt in. I'm gonna give you the real deal only for $37, okay? We'll be talking about business structure. How is your business going to be structured? How is your business currently structured? And another thing that I'll be talking about, which a lot of people really love, was hiring staff. Do you have a tax preparation business where you're ready to go ahead and start hiring people? Do you feel overwhelmed where you're not sure if you even want to hire people? I'm going to tell you the different steps. I'm going to tell you the different strategies on to how to hire the certain staff that you need to assist you with your team, and you know who to delegate certain things to. We're also going to be talking about business account. Y'all need to just stop watching this video and come right back. Go on webinar.startyourtaxcompany.com and opt in. It's only $37. You ain't gonna find it nowhere else, so just go ahead and do it, okay? I'll see y'all on November 3rd. Bye, y'all.